few preventative maintenance tips that will keep the longevity of your bike. First and foremost, keep your bike clean. Generally, after one or two rides, you're going to want to wash it down, a little soap and water. So when you do wash it down, you don't want to spray in your bearings. This one being your front hub. Try to stay away from that. Also, we want to try to stay away from the bottom bracket as well when you're washing the bike down, and your rear hub as well. After you wash your bike down, you're going to want to thoroughly dry it. Completely wipe it down, your rims, the whole bike, and then after that we're going to lubricate what we just washed. So after the bike is washed, what I'm going to do is take a degreaser and I'm going to degrease the cassette back here, the derailleur right here, your derailleur here, and the chain as well. Best way that I found to degrease a chain is to spray into the cassette right here. Good thing you can do is shift down to your little ring. And you're going to degrease right here. Spraying right there. It's going to go through your jockey wheels or your derailleur, getting that all nice and clean. And then I'll stop for a second. I'll grab my rag, my fictional rag that I don't have, and I'll wipe off all the excess right here. Keep going around, around, around. Take a look at the chain, assess it. If it's still grimy, I'm going to spray it again. More degreaser. Rag again, wiping off the excess. After I degrease my drivetrain, derailleur, chain, front derailleur a little bit, now I'm going to want to apply some lubrication. So I'm going to take, generally what we use here at the shop is T9 or Tri-Flow, or two good lubricants. Rock and Roll is another one we use. And same thing as the degreaser. I'm going to spray it in my chain right here. That way it's going through the derailleur, going through the jockey wheels. Spray, spray, spray. You're going to have a lot of excess on your chain at this point. So once again, taking the rag, wiping off the excess. And depending on how dry your chain is, you might have to repeat that step again, but generally you should have good lubrication right now. At this point too, you can take the Tri-Flow or whatever lubricant you have, and you can lubricate the pivot points on your derailleur. Right here, right here, right there, and you can even hit the spring right in here, which is a good idea. And then I'll come up to the front derailleur, and I'll do the same thing. Hit the pivot points right there, the spring right here, and anywhere, any moving part can be lubricated. Also, now that since we're working on a mountain bike, you can also lubricate your pivot points on the suspension. On this one, it would be right here, in the back, and right there. And also these two pivot points, and you could even spray a little bit in there too. So, bike's all lubed. That's good preventative maintenance to start with. Wash your bike, lubricate your bike, keep it clean and lubed. That's the moral of the story, I guess.